What's up, Blaster peeps? I said Blaster men last time. And there's some lady out there trying to outrun y'all, so she said Blaster ladies too. Look at this old girl right here. Dang. Dang. The color on that old thing there. Well, let's pull off the hood because we have a no spark situation at this point. Hold it in there nice and firm. There you go. Alright, hood undone. And they got the key undone. Let's see if they got it bypassed properly. See if we have any Tor's action going on the carb. Yeah. First I'm gonna check the compression. Hold on. So I got the plug out, guys. I'm gonna put my finger over the plug hole, give her a kick. Oh shit, what the hell blew? Do it again. It's got compression. Hold on. One more. Damn, that's high compression. Okay, let's see if it's got spark. Oh, it don't even have the drain screw. Missing the drain screw. See if we can get one to fit. Ooh, got us some shiny reeds going on there. Do these look better when you look through them? Yeah, I guess they're completely sealed, huh?
Yeah.
Those other ones are just wore out. Plus, with all the different flaps on that other reed, it's no wonder that the...
Oh, yeah.
You know, it's got like 8 different angles on it. So this bad boy, y'all heard the popping and the backfiring we're getting. Come on, dudes. There's the reeds. Not supposed to see that. She wore out. Just doing that. That. Try a little starting fluid. The newer ones and the older ones are a little bit different, but basically what we got going on right now is no spark. Or we do have spark, but it's very weak. And this thing will just backfire. Out the pipe, pop out the pipe, fart. So we jump that wire that leads up. We chase this down from the throttle to here, and we jumped it. So guys, we had blue spark, but it was at the wrong time. As you can see, this is what they're talking about when they see your flywheel cured sheet. There's sheared half of it, the other half right there. So this thing's throwing a spark just at whenever it damn well gets good and ready. And that's why she won't fire up. We should have dug in the other day, man. We knew it. So we got another couple blasters here. Pulling this flywheel off because the other one sheared the flywheel key. And this one stayed with it. Look, it's not in there. No. Is it in the flywheel, I hope? Or is there just not one? Oh, it's right there. Nice. Ooh, magnet caught it, boy. If that would have fell on them rocks, god damn. All right, boys, should get us a test fire here. We'll see. Should be good for one. Dang, boys. Little blaster action. Need a flathead to turn that idle down a little, guys. Oh yeah. Yamaha blaster. I don't have back brakes yet. blaster rips. Let me talk to you about what I had to do here for a minute. We had to go through the carburetor, change the air filter, we changed the reeds, we deleted the Tors, deleted the parking brake, put on new tires front and back. We're getting a blue spark, but at all the wrong times. So what do we learn? You need air, fuel, and spark for one of these to run. Compression, fuel, and spark. We know we had compression. We know we had fuel. We had white spark, so I was thinking Tors. Then we got blue spark. Take it inside in the dark. Figure out what kind of spark you're dealing with. This thing was firing blue hard the whole time, but it was just at the wrong time. So she didn't want to start. A lot of backfiring. Hey, everybody, get up in there. Ladies, gentlemen, I heard the other day there's some blaster ladies watching, so ladies and gentlemen, them blasters are something else, guys. My favorite quads. If this one had back brakes, I'd be putting on a whole stunt show out here, dudes. Look at that. Sun setting just right. Yamaha's right there. It'd be a whole... The sheriff would get called. So we got lucky. I live to ride another day, so you guys get up in there. I got a couple other blasters I just picked up. I'll show you. See what you think. More blaster videos coming. You can believe it. All you blaster people, get up in there, give me a like and subscribe. Check these two out I just picked up yesterday. We're going to definitely have some more blaster videos coming right up. That one's going to be a full motor rebuild. That one's going to be a top end rebuild and a new clutch. I got the rest of them around here somewhere. Just unloaded. Got a couple mini truck videos coming up. Polaris Predator 500 video. Hey, if you are blaster people and you didn't see that Odyssey Rotax, check that video out on the channel. The BW Banshee's coming up here in a couple days too. Appreciate it. There's a 4-wheel drive mini truck right there we just finished. And I got another one right here we just did. Cut a little lift on them. Yamaha guys, you blaster peeps, you Yamatards, check this out. Hey, damn. Hey, you Yamaha rods, check this out. So there's the blaster. I just picked up this Raptor 700 and it runs. It's seen better days, but by God, it runs. And I was kind of thinking to myself, I was saying to myself, I said, self, everybody's been asking for a Banshee Tri-Z or a Banshee 3-wheeler. Look it, I got me another Tri-Z the other day. Peep this. Who got this Tri-Z the other day? That's a Tri-Z. There's 2 more Tri-Zs. So we got 4 Tri-Zs right here. Raptor 700 and a Tri-Z. So fresh and so clean, brand new powder coat. Come on. Comment on the video if you guys think that Raptor 700 should go in the old, if we should throw that in the old Tri-Z. Otherwise, I'm just going to rebuild the Tri-Z. I think it would be fun. Fuel injected 700 with reverse. Get up in there. All right, blaster peeps, a little bit of advice. If you're checking spark on one of these things, close the door, do it in a dark room. I checked it out here on the porch. I could see it. Couldn't really tell what kind of spark we were dealing with. Once we deleted the Tors and it wouldn't start, and I seen the spark was blue, you know, I knew it must be firing at the wrong time. Therefore, sheared flywheel key. I suspected it all along. I didn't have a flywheel key here. So I had to delete the Tors anyways, and I did a couple other things. And then when I bought these blasters, I thought, hell, we'll pull both the flywheels, check the key. And that was the issue. As far as the Tors goes, check it out. All you're going to do on a bike like this with the disc brakes and the new headlight is you pull off the cover, you follow these 2 wires down to where they plug in, you unplug them. And you go over to your carb. These 2 wires go from your carburetor up there, the top, the Tors. That thing actually is what relays the throttle cable. And you're going to disconnect it. Now, the reason I have them cut, and then once you disconnect it, you're going to wire together the harness side. It's a black and yellow and black wire. Don't do it. Don't take these out. You know, you take the other end of the plug off and splice it and then plug it back in. Don't do that, because the bad connection could be in the female side, in this back half of the plug. So it's not going to work. You need to go beyond the plug-in, snip it, twist it, cap it, and it's done. You do the same thing. You follow this wire down, you go to the harness side of it where it disconnects, cut it, wire it together, and la. No more torque issues. I'm not saying you have to cut the wires to do it. You don't have to cut behind the plug and wire it that way. You can cut in front of it. But the thing is, you still leave one more thing to go wrong in between you and your connection. So might as well go right behind it. Nobody's putting the Tors back on. Anybody who puts the Tors back on is probably from like Canada or something and ain't even red, white, and blue true Americans. You know what? I don't even people from Canada don't put the Tors back on. So that ought to tell you something. Sack up, people. Oh, well, everybody, there's only one thing left to do. Give me a subscribe. Click on that like and subscribe button. Lots more videos coming. DS90X. We got that Banshee BW riding video. Polaris Predator 500. I'm even gonna take a 300EX I got the other day running good, and I'm gonna throw rocks on it with this blaster. We're just gonna show people that 300EX ain't... Blasters got their number. That's it. That's it. If a guy outruns you on a 300EX, just start, maybe get a dirt bike or something. You belong on a Polaris. So, man, come on. I'm gonna show you what this blaster made of. Let me get some back brakes on it. We got that 300EX out there running good. We're gonna battle them. But I got bad news for you Honda guys. This Yamaha is gonna, it's embarrassing. Y'all are gonna be embarrassed. Make sure your people's there to see it when it goes down. You might get embarrassed. And y'all gonna have to tell people he took us inside, served us pancakes.